Kymco launched the latest VJR 125 4-volt scooter with a sporty design and TCS traction control system technology. TCS is not a new technology in the world of motorbikes. Interestingly, the automatic pioneers in this country have started to install it on motorbikes with 125cc engine cubications. Safest Performance Light Run, aka VJR, is the only 125cc scooter with TCS technology. In addition to providing driving performance, the VJR is also here to improve the driver's appearance. The VJR 125 TCS model is also equipped with a 2-channel anti-lock braking system, ABS. The VJR 125 TCS is equipped with front and rear discs measuring 180 mm. The VJR 125 4-volt TCS is introduced with a new design concept. Integrates the three elements of light, energetic, electricity, and look. The lighting system has also fully used LED technology. The VJR 125 4-volt TCS is now evolving using the fly-by-the-fly tail. The instrument panel already uses a 4.5-inch LCD. The VJR 125 TCS also features a 5V2A homeland USB charging cradle. The large storage space is 20.6 liters. With the 4V War Falcon engine, the Kymco VJR 125 TCS is capable of producing a maximum power of 10.8 PS. Acceleration from 0 to 100 meters only takes 8.51 seconds. This is supported by a high-strength rigid frame, SSC, sport steady comfortable horizontal suspension system and dual rear shock absorbers.